Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix network error in Capcut PC. So there are tons of reasons why you encounter this problem. It could be poor internet connection. This is one of the most common reasons why you see this error message. It could be a weak or unstable internet connection, Wi-Fi, or let's just say data. It's just the internet or Wi-Fi or location itself. So what we're going to do now is we're going to connect to a VPN. So you just have to go to VPN gate and you have to click the very first link here. Once you tap this, it will take you directly to this VPN website where you can see different address that you can use later for your VPN settings. So what you're going to do is you have to open your VPN settings. If you don't know how to locate that, you can go to your search menu and then type for VPN settings. But before that, let's go back first to VPN gate and we're going to locate an address here. So let's just say we're going to connect to a Japan network right here. So let's go back to the settings. Let's go to VPN settings, go to start menu and then look for VPN settings. Click open and then you have to add a VPN. Tap this one. Now you can type whatever name you want. Everything is up to you. For me, it's like VPN 101. And then for address, go back, scroll down. Here are the sample addresses that you can use. For example, this one right here, you want to connect with Japan, copy, go back and then paste that here. Here you have to tap this arrow facing down and then tap this SSTP. For the password and username, go back. Okay, so this is the username and the password. So you just have to type this. And then after that, you can now save and connect to this VPN. So once you have connected to this VPN, you can go back now to your CapCut and see if you can still see the error or the message. You can try to close and open it again. So basically, this is how you fix this network error in CapCut PC. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.